Well, today I'm gonna teach you how to go service mode on this TV. It's an LG, and that's the model number. To go to service mode, you just have to. Well, I'm using this control, this crappy control. You just have to go. You just have to press and a menu 12 times rapidly, and then you have to press 9876, and then press enter like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, and enter. It took me to the installer menu, and then the installer menu, to navigate, you just have to press the up or down arrow to go to anything that you want to go do this TV. Well, I was having problems with the backlighting, so what I did was, it was dimming too much. So what I did was, I just went to the 99 to backlighting. It was in the 200, so I left it to, it was in 200. And then I left it to 100. And there, I don't know what it did, or probably messed with something on the TV. And I just press enter. And that's it.